Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another edition of Tips from Tiffany. So today's video is for the ladies. So guys, you might not want to listen to this one. All right, ladies, so let's get started. So on my last cruise, or our last cruise, one of my friends that was on the cruise, she had a surprise visitor. Now, in most instances, I'm pretty prepared for any situation that could happen on the cruise ship. I've talked about it in packing tips and what to take, what not to take, stuff like that. So this was a complete surprise for her. So she was not prepared. After talking to her, we went and checked the gift shops and everything like that. They didn't have anything. Luckily, some other family members that were on board had enough to tide her over till we could get to port. We did tell her to look in the pharmacies up there in Mexico or down there in Mexico and see if she could find anything, but we still had a couple days before we got there. Lo and behold, we found out that you can go to customer service and you can purchase these sorts of products. I think she paid 25 cents each for each one that she needed. But I did not know that they were available at customer service. Like I said, we checked the gift shops. They didn't really have anything, liners, but nothing other than that. So next time you're on a cruise and you get a surprise visitor, you can definitely check the customer service and see if they have any for purchase. I do want to go check customer service next time we are on a cruise and see what is available. And I should have done that on this last cruise, just never got around to it. So they could have different things available for you that you might not find in the gift shops. And Chris didn't know, he doesn't have this issue. So he had no idea. I didn't know because, like I said, I'm usually very prepared for any kind of situations on the cruise. But again, things come up that you just didn't anticipate or plan for. So next time you're out on the high seas and something happens, definitely check with customer service if you can't find what you're looking for in the gift shops. And then, like I said, we were able to get to Mexico and get the products that she needed and get her home. So, like I said, tip for the ladies, you never know. If there are any tips that I haven't talked about that you would like to see, definitely put those in the comments. I'd love to do some research and see what I can find out for you. Some ideas, anything. If you have liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend and a great next week. And we will see you again on the next Tips from Tiffany. And as always, we will see you out on the high seas.